Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to create and join clubs on Omelette Arcade. Well, as of June 30, 2023, Omelette Arcade servers have been closed, preventing users from streaming and creating new accounts. Despite this, if the app reopens in the future, here's what you're going to do. To create a club on Omelette Arcade, first open the app. Then log into your account. After that, tap the three lines at the upper left corner. Then tap Communities. Navigate to the Clubs button. Then Create Club. And provide details like the club's name, description, and preferred settings. Customize your club's profile picture and banner to make it visually appealing. Once done, hit the Create button to finalize. If you want to join an existing club, browse through the available clubs in the Clubs tab. Then explore various categories or search for specific clubs. When you find one you like, simply tap on it and hit the Join button. And that's how to create and join clubs on Omelette Arcade. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.